How to use a yoga strap in seated poses. Seated forward bend. In seated postures like the hamstring stretch in seated forward bend, yoga straps can be used around the feet as shown. The pelvis will naturally tilt forward, bringing the body into alignment and bringing length into the hamstrings. Cobbler's pose. This pose is the beginning of cobbler's pose. It can be tricky for people with tight hips. To support the hips and low back, use the strap as shown. Loop one end of the strap through the buckle and pull tightly. Set it just around the top of the hip bones and loop the other side around the outer edges of the feet as shown. This will help the spine to stay long and the pelvis to tilt forward. How to use a yoga strap in binds. Revolved high lunge. To go a little deeper in the practice, yoga straps can be used when coming into binds like revolved high lunge. A lot of strength and power is needed in the full bind, and if the hands don't quite meet, you can use the strap to get the extra length. How to use a yoga strap for shoulders. Cow face pose. This is cow face pose, and it is a pretty intense stretch for the shoulders and chest. The full expression requires a lot of flexibility and practice, and if the hands don't meet, you can try to use a strap to help deepen the stretch. Try to keep the spine long and the chest lifted. What kind of yoga strap should I buy? I recommend the Sukhi Yoga Strap. They are the softest D-ring strap available, made with super soft material that will not rub harshly. Soft and tough, extremely durable, and will not break or lose its shape. Perfect for help holding yoga poses, increasing flexibility, and for physical therapy. They come in 4 different colors: black, pink, purple, and green. Visit their website SukhiYoga.com to get your yoga strap today. Thanks for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more yoga videos.